session. Today, I am going to teach you class 11 of the advanced EP universal drum. The first line is 一二三七二三七走走左右，一二三七二三右走走左右，一二三七二三七走走左右，一二三七二三右走走左右走，一二三四。Now let's try on the drum using the speed of 100. Ready? Now, let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of today's class. Please remember to like and subscribe. Check us on our Facebook and TikTok page. We go by the name of Nanhua Performing Arts Group. I hope you enjoyed my class. See you next time. Goodbye.